First, navigate to Setup. From there, go to General, then Company Details, and click on the Business Hours tab. Now, click on the Edit icon. Here you can choose how your organization operates. You'll see options for 24/7, 24/5, or custom working hours. Let's take an example where the company operates from Monday through Saturday. In that case, we'll choose Custom Hours. Next, select the start day of the week as Monday. This setting is important as it will be reflected in current week, previous week, and next week data when creating reports, adding criteria, or using the Smart Filters option in Zoho CRM. Now, choose the working days. Make sure to check Saturday, since the company operates on that day as well. Here, you can set the business timings. If your organization follows the same working hours every day, for example, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you can specify that by selecting Same Hours Every Day. If the organization follows different timings on different days, choose the corresponding option and set the hours individually for each day. For this example, let's assume the company operates 24 hours. Select Same Hours Every Day, click on the Time field, and you'll notice a 24 hours option along with the regular time settings. Choose 24 hours and then click Save. Even when you select different hours for each day, you'll still have the option to configure 24 hours for certain days and custom timings for others. Once you click Save, you'll be redirected back to the Business Hours page. Here, you can review and verify all the business hours details that you've just configured. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.